video, we're going to be looking at how to defend against someone in your guard that's punching towards your head. Okay, so from this position, I'm on the floor, the attacker is in my guard here. So this here, like so, means he's in my guard. So we're looking at a barrage of punches. So this is what it is. Yeah, he's punching towards my head. So how we deal with this, the first thing you need to understand is that the head is a vulnerable part of the body, so we need to protect it. So the cover block, like so, like we've demonstrated in our videos. So again, as the attacker punches, I'm covering like so, and I'm moving my head from side to side and not falling back. The second thing, as we do it, as he punches, I'm going to bring the attacker's head down in towards my body. Notice my feet and the shins and legs are locked over. I'm curling my toes back and I'm crossing my feet. The head, I've got both hands planted behind his head, keeping his head and body as close to mine as possible. If he draws back and I try and turn and twist the head from this position as I take him down, I lose the momentum and I lose control of the attacker. So always bring this in towards your body. As we do the reversal, this hand here covers the face and eyes. This hand behind grabs the side of his skull. So what you don't want to do is grab or place your hand over the mouth, because obviously the attacker could bite. So when you do this, cover his eyes and face like so. Grab the back of the head. And as I turn, I need to release my legs from this locked position as I turn them. Yeah? So from this position, I turn, I follow the attacker, and I come into low or high mount. Obviously, before you exit the situation, you need to cause some disorientation, some damage. I always recommend using natural weapons, so in other words, the hammer fist. So when you're in this position, the attacker is going to try and escape, so put some damage on towards the attacker. So hammer fist going 1, 2, 3, 4, however many you need. You've also got the point of the elbow. The point of the elbow is very effective for striking down. So when you do this particular technique, your hand on the back of the head, elbow planted by the side, hand on the floor, and drive this down right in towards the eye socket. This is very painful for the cornea of the eye, creates a lot of damage on the attacker. So when you've done this, you have this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down in towards the eye and towards the face. When you exit the situation, place both hands on towards the chest or sternum area, press up, lift up. Be cautious the attacker doesn't grab your feet. Use awareness of your surroundings in situation, and then exit and flee to safety as soon as possible. So again, one more time. So on top of me again. So the attacker is in my guard. He's punching towards my head. I've got to cover, cover, cover. Bring the attacker down. Yeah. So again, my feet crossed over, feet, toes curled back, hands covering the back of his head, keeping him as close to my body as possible. As you can see, there's no gap in between. I've got nice and tight. When you turn the attacker, one hand goes in towards the eyes. You've also got your natural fingers to gouge the eyes, the eye socket if you wish. Cover the face, opposite hand behind the head. As you turn and twist the head, release these feet from your attacker. Follow the attacker down towards the floor. Come into low or high mount. Drive if you have this 1, 2, 3, however many you need. Elbow striking towards the eye socket. Hand planted on his sternum chest to get yourself up. Be cautious the attacker doesn't grab your feet. Scan your environment and surroundings for any further danger. Fence up, awareness switched on, and exit the situation as soon as possible. Okay, so it's a knee facing forwards. So that there is how to defend against someone in your guard punching towards your head. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information about what we do, please check our website, eclecticselfprotection.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.